What if everything you've spent decades building disappeared? Your career, your savings, your marriage, your confidence. Would your life be over? Most people think turning 50 means the best years are behind them. I believe something completely different. I believe 50 isn't the end of your story. It's the chapter where you finally stop living for everyone else and start building the life you were always meant to live. Today, we're talking about how to rebuild your life after 50. Not with empty motivation, with truth. Have you noticed something strange? When you're 25, everyone tells you there's plenty of time. When you're 35, they say you're entering your prime. But somewhere around 50, the world quietly changes. People stop asking what you're becoming. They start asking what you've already done. And if life didn't go according to plan, you begin believing you've somehow missed your chance. That's the biggest lie society ever sold. Because life doesn't end at 50. Many people don't discover who they truly are until after it. Let's be honest, starting over hurts. It hurts because you've invested years. You've made sacrifices, you've worked late nights, you've trusted people, you've carried responsibilities. Then one day you realize you're standing at the beginning again. Different age, different circumstances, same uncertainty. The hardest part isn't losing money. It isn't losing a job. It's losing the version of yourself you thought you'd become. Here's what younger people don't have. Experience. You've already survived failure. You've survived rejection. You've survived heartbreak. You've survived days you never thought you'd recover from. You know what matters. You know what doesn't. You didn't already win that reason. You don't need enough warfare. Your age will your get prinix. Now it's time to collect the reward. You're watching this, and you're 50 or 60 or even 70, I want you to hear this. You are not behind. You are not finished. Your story isn't measured by where you are today. It's measured by what you decide to do next. One decision. One ordinary day, repeated enough times, can change an entire life. Your next chapter is still waiting to be written. And remember, you're not finished yet.